I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting prerequisites and then move straight into action. Identify every file location and pick an index format that matches tools you use. Once chosen, define key fields: name, relative path, file type, size, last modified date. Make sure to include ignored patterns now, so you do not index build outputs or temp files. Then create a blank index file in your repo root and prepare a consistent naming convention. This prevents duplicate entries later. Next, implement the core automation. You write a simple walker script in Python or Node.js that recursively scans directories and collects metadata. Make it compute size and last modified time. Optionally add a checksum for integrity. Once done, normalize paths to use forward slashes and deduplicate by relative path. Make sure to tag file types and add folders as entries so the index reflects structure. Finally, output to your chosen format and validate schema with a quick parse step. Finish by integrating the index into your workflow and verifying results. Commit the generated index to version control and wire the update script into CI or a pre-commit hook so it stays current. Once committed, run validation. Sample checks against actual files, optional checksum comparisons, and schema validation. If discrepancies appear, rerun the indexer and inspect ignored patterns. Troubleshoot by checking permission errors and path mismatches. Those cause most failures. Adjust your script.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.